Hello everyone and welcome to another Doculife tutorial video. In this video we are going to look at how to use the web extension. The web extension allows you to save things as you're browsing the web, like images, videos, notes, bookmarks, things like that. We have it available for Chrome and Firefox. So if you're a Firefox user, you're going to want to go to the Firefox browser add-on store. Simply type in Doculife. We're the only ones there named Doculife, which is great. And then this button would say add to browser, so you're going to add that to your Firefox browser. Same thing in Chrome, just type in Doculife, and if you're using the Chrome browser you would then add that to the Chrome browser. Obviously since we're using Firefox here, we can't add the Chrome extension to Firefox. So it says available on Chrome. So if you're using Chrome it would say install now, just click that and it would get installed lickety-split. Alright, so let's go back to our binders. Once the browser extension is installed, you'll see it represented in the top right hand corner of your screen. Today we're going to talk about how to save some inspiration for a kitchen remodel. So we're going to go out and find things on the web and use our shiny new browser extension to save things directly into this binder while we're surfing the web, which is really cool. So our first stop is going to be the Home Depot, and we're going to look at some gooseneck faucets to replace the old faucet that we have now. So we've got this really cool modern long extension sprayer thingy. Looks really great. So we're going to save this as a target. So there's two things that you could do with the extension. One is called a bookmark and the other one is called a target. A bookmark would be saving this page here, all of these faucets. A target would be if I right-clicked on this link right here and I'm saving this specific thing out of all these links. So we're going to save this specific target. So you're going to right-click and down at the bottom you'll see Doculife, and then it'll tell you exactly what you can save on this page based on where you clicked. So where I clicked, we're going to select target, and then it'll list out all my available binders, and obviously we're going to save this into kitchen remodel. So let's go ahead and pop over to kitchen remodel, and you can see that pop into the binder here, and there it is, the page which we weren't looking at. We saved the link to it specifically, so now when we need to reference this again we can reference only that faucet, not the entire page of faucets, which is really handy. So this is just to show you the difference between bookmark and faucet. I'm going to right click on here again, go down, and we'll hit bookmark and we'll hit kitchen remodel, and then we'll see what happens as a comparison here. There it goes. So that's the difference between a bookmark and a target. A target is where the link goes to, and a bookmark is the actual page that you're on itself. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one because we don't really need to delete that, or need to have it rather. Alright, now let's take a look at how to save a video. So I've got YouTube open here with some kitchen remodel videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. Here we are with this kitchen remodel. I think I'll save this particular video. So we're going to click up here. If you click on a video in YouTube, it'll give you a YouTube menu. So go ahead and click above the actual video itself. Go down to your extension and then go to save video. See how the options have changed based on where you're clicking on a page and the media that's available to you on that page. So the extension is smart like that. We do kitchen remodel in here. Then we'll pop back over to that tab and you can see that video come in. And you can watch this right in Doculife if you like without having to go to YouTube, so you can stay with all of your necessary information. So next that we've saved a video, let's go ahead and take a look at some floor tile options. I think we're going to go with something darker here. Let's save this image here as a sample. So we're going to save image and go to our kitchen remodel. There that is, and it's going to be linked directly to that page if we want to open that up again so we know exactly where it came from. Or we can just go ahead and bookmark that link again and get the entire page. So here's that entire page about this particular wood plank. We just got the larger image here and then also the entire page so we can see both things really clearly. Let's take a look at some appliances now. So let's think big, like we just won the lottery and get a nice Wolf 36-inch gas range. Look at that with the red dials. This is a really nice photo. So some photos use CSS as a CSS background, then they might not be able to be saved. And sometimes you see those in places like this in like a zone 1 area. So, but let's just check this one out and see what we can do with it. Yeah, so this one doesn't come up as an image because it is that CSS background. But if we scroll down here, we can definitely save images of like the range, things like that if we'd like to. So as you can see, save image is available now because it's being put on the page differently. So let's go ahead and save that to kitchen remodel. And then I kind of like this page overall. So I'm just going to save that as well. So let's go ahead and jump over to Medium and see if there's something that we want to save as a note. Let's see, the average kitchen remodel ranges from 12 to 34K. Seems like a good thing to save as a note. So let's go ahead and scroll up here and highlight this. So saving things as a note, all you need to do is highlight what you want to save, and then go ahead and right click again. You'll get your Doculife menu, add note, and then choose kitchen remodel. And if you pop over to kitchen remodel, boom, it already came in as a note. Then you can go ahead and modify this. And what we're going to do here is just simply make it a little bit larger overall in size. So we're going to go 24, and then we're going to maybe change the color. Why not? Make things more interesting. There we go. I'm going to do update note. And then we're going to make this 2 columns to kind of make it pop out to me. Alright, so we've got our range, we've got this bookmark page here, we've got faucet, we've got our video, we've got a note. Things are going pretty well. So we've saved a note, a bookmark, a video, image, and a target. So those are really the major things that you can save with the browser extension as you're out surfing the web and getting ideas for projects, for homework assignments, inspiration for interior design, finding things for your wedding like dresses and rings and flowers, things like that. You can save anything you like into any binder in Firefox or Chrome. Super handy to build out a binder and not actually have to upload anything. You're actually just saving things through the browser extension and then organizing them in Doculife itself. So I hope that you like this video, and that is a great example of how to use the browser extension. Go ahead and download it for Chrome or Firefox. We will be coming out with the extension for Edge and Opera in the near future, so stay tuned for that if you're an Edge or an Opera user. Thanks so much for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Thank you.